Hello everyone. Question is, if x by square root of 3 plus square root of 2 equals to x square root of 3 minus 2, find x. Solution will be here given x by square root of 3 plus square root of 2 equals to x square root of 3 minus 2. Now in the next step we will rationalize the denominator in the left hand side by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by square root of 3 minus square root of 2. So we can write this as x by square root of 3 plus square root of 2 times square root of 3 minus square root of 2 by square root of 3 minus square root of 2 equals to x square root of 3 minus 2. This equals to x times square root of 3 will be x square root of 3, x times minus square root of 2 will be minus x square root of 2 by square root of 3 plus square root of 2 times square root of 3 minus square root of 2. This is of the form a plus b times a minus b equals to a square minus b square. So we can write this as square root of 3 whole square minus square root of 2 whole square equals to x square root of 3 minus 2. This equals to x square root of 3 minus x square root of 2 by square root of 3 whole square will be 3 minus square root of 2 whole square will be 2 equals to x square root of 3 minus 2. This equals to x square root of 3 minus x square root of 2 by 3 minus 2 is 1 equals to x square root of 3 minus 2. This equals to x square root of 3 minus x square root of 2 equals to x square root of 3 minus 2. Now transposing x square root of 3 to left hand side, we can write this as x square root of 3 minus x square root of 2 minus x square root of 3 equals to minus 2. Here x square root of 3 will be subtracted by x square root of 3. This equals to minus x square root of 2 equals to minus 2. This equals to x equals to minus 2 by minus square root of 2 equals to 2 by square root of 2. On rationalizing the denominator, we can write this as 2 by square root of 2 times square root of 2 by square root of 2 equals to 2 square root of 2 by square root of 2 times square root of 2 will be 2. Here 2 and 2 will be reduced by 2 1 times, here also 1 times. This equals to x equals to square root of 2. Therefore x equals to square root of 2. This is our solution.